Hi, I'm Ian from Bromic, and I'm here to run through our innovative solution to brazing, the Bromic Oxyset. The kit has been designed with gas and water system technicians front of mind, especially HVAC techs and plumbers. The Oxyset is an ultra-portable, lightweight brazing system that uses disposable gas tanks. The lightweight setup is an ideal brazing solution when the job takes you to challenging locations, whether that's up a ladder to an attic or roof, when work needs to be done in hard-to-reach sites away from your truck, or in high traffic areas where the customer doesn't want heavy and obstructive oxyacetylene setups in the way. If you've ever carted a full oxyacetylene kit up a ladder for just 5 minutes of brazing, you'll love our innovative lightweight brazing system, and so will your shoulder. The kit uses disposable tanks, with the fuel being industry standard MAP Pro cylinders and our new innovative oxygen tank. The Oxy cylinder will last for 20 to 25 minutes and the MAP Pro cylinder will last for 2 hours. The setup is ideal for service work. The kit can assist with brazing up to 1.5 inches, and we'll show you a demo shortly.